Huawei's budget-friendly Honor sub-brand has released the follow-up to the 6X, its fiercely competitive mid-range offering, the Honor 7X. Now sporting a body constructed entirely of aluminum, the 7X steps up the class factor from its partially plastic predecessor. Adding to this aura is the inclusion of an 18:9, 5.93-inch screen with minimal bezels to match. Throw in dual cameras and Honor's typically quick performance, and you have a lean, mean $200 mid-range machine. But is it enough to knock off more recognizable and similarly equipped competitors? In the box. Honor 7X. Micro USB charging cable and adapter. SIM tool. Display. With the Honor 7X, it's easy to forget that you're holding a mid-range device until you turn on the screen. By no means is it the worst screen we've ever seen, color accuracy is pretty good, in fact, but the tamer color saturation compared to the proliferating, vivid OLEDs will remind you what price range you're in. The size of the screen is certainly pleasing, though. Indeed, it's one of the very few phones at this price point to feature the coveted near bezel-less design. At a resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels, FHD+, the 7X meets a pixel density of 407 pi, a respectable threshold, which produces sharp content, be it text or videos. By default, a handful of apps don't conform to this 18:9 aspect ratio, which is unlike other phones with similar aspect ratios, they simply fit apps automatically. Popular apps like Facebook, Twitter work just fine, but others, including Chrome and Amazon, don't full the whole screen, or at least not at first. Honor makes it quite easy to fit an app to the screen, though. Instead of having to go into settings, which you can also do, you'll see a bar at the bottom of the screen labeled Fit, which occupies the little bit of unused space. When tapped, this will expand your content to fill the entire screen, and remember to do so in every subsequent use of the particular app.